All right, we're back talking about antecedents of pronouns. So look at the very bottom of the front of the handout. These are relative pronouns. I know it's cut off a little, but it's the relative pronoun examples that I've given you here. It's not all of the relative pronouns, just common ones. Who, whom, whose, that, and which. So turn the paper. So relative pronouns are pronouns, so they have antecedents. Okay? All pronouns have antecedents. All pronouns have nouns that they're taking the place of or replacing. So look up here. Principal Myers, whose nose hair curled outside his nostrils, delivered the morning announcements. Okay, so we have a demonstrative pronoun there, whose. What's the antecedent of whose? Who is who here? It's Principal Myers. So Principal Myers is the antecedent. It's his nose hairs that are so abundant. Okay, look at number 2. The dish that contains the leftover squid eyeball stew cannot go in the microwave. There's a demonstrative pronoun there, right? That is a demonstrative pronoun. What is that? That is the dish. The dish. Okay? So dish is the antecedent of the pronoun that here. All right? Relative pronouns can also come, as you'll see, as phrases or even clauses. Okay, so look, eating ice cream for dinner, which might not be nutritionally smart, is what Teresa wanted after her long day of waitressing. So we have the demonstrative pronoun, the relative pronoun which there. Did I say relative pronoun before? Yeah, maybe I said demonstrative, I'm not sure. All right, which is the relative pronoun. What's the antecedent of which? It's not a single word, it's a whole phrase. What is which? Eating ice cream for dinner. Which is eating ice cream for dinner. I could say, eating ice cream for dinner might not be nutritionally smart, is what Teresa wanted, right? So which, the antecedent, is the whole phrase. All right, let's practice a few sentences here, looking for different kinds of pronouns and thinking about what their antecedents are. Number 1, my mother had to pack her bags quickly. Okay, do you see any pronouns in that sentence? See the word her? Her is a personal pronoun, right? Who is her? Who is her? It's mother. So mother is the antecedent of her. You might want to circle her and draw a little arrow if you want to mother. Circle the pronoun and draw an arrow to mother. I don't know why I don't have any pencils that don't work. So, her is the pronoun. What's the antecedent? Mother. Okay, you might want to do that. Number 2, the students on the bus were shouting and singing as they rode home after the game. What pronoun do you see there? You see they? They is a personal pronoun. Who is they? It's the students on the bus. So students is the antecedent of the pronoun they in this sentence. Number 3, when the cashier at the market got sick, the manager asked Adrian to replace her. Do you see a pronoun here? Her, right? Who is her? It's the cashier, right? When the cashier at the market got sick, the manager asked Adrian to replace the cashier, to replace her. So, cashier is the antecedent of the pronoun her in this sentence. Okay, let's see. Look at number 4. The old car needed to be replaced soon. This would be a difficult expense. So look for pronouns in there. Remember, we talked about demonstrative pronouns. We have the demonstrative pronoun this in the sentence. What is this? It's not the car. The car would be a difficult expense. It's really the car needing to be replaced. Right? The car needing to be replaced. That's what this is. So the antecedent here is a phrase. The car needed to be replaced. I guess you might say that this could also refer back to car, but then that would be more like a new car would be a difficult expense. This old car is not a difficult expense. It's the fact that it needs to be replaced that is the difficult expense. So the car needing to be replaced is the antecedent of this in the sentence. Number 5, Anita, who had arrived early, would lead the discussion. So look for a pronoun in there. Do you see a pronoun? See the relative pronoun who? So who is who? What's the antecedent of who in this sentence? It's Anita. So Anita is the antecedent of the pronoun who. Okay, so you've got some more that you can practice there. And if you have questions about them, you can bring them up during our online class meeting on Wednesday, or you can talk to me in chat on Canvas and ask questions. All right, thanks.